Stop buying expensive tire shine right now. Seriously, you could be wasting your money. Because today, I'm going to show you a $1 trick that can make your tires look clean, dark, and fresh without those overpriced products. And the crazy part? Most people completely ignore the simple solution, the real problem. Let's talk about tire shine for a second. It looks great at first, right? That glossy, wet black finish makes your car stand out. But here's what most people don't realize. That shine often fades within a day, or two cheap products leave a greasy, fake look that can attract dust and dirt faster. Some even contain harsh chemicals that may dry out rubber over time. So what happens? You keep reapplying again and again and keep spending money. It becomes a cycle. And honestly, it's not worth it. The $1 secret. Now here's where things get interesting. Instead of buying tire shine, use hair conditioner. Yes, regular, cheap hair conditioner. The same thing you use for your hair can actually restore your tire's appearance. Sounds weird? Maybe, but it works. Why it works? Let's break it down simply. Hair conditioner contains conditioning oil, silicone-like compounds, moisturizing agents. These ingredients are designed to smooth surfaces, add shine, restore softness. And guess what? Tire rubber reacts in a very similar way. So instead of coating your tire with heavy chemicals, you're giving it a light, even, natural-looking finish. Step 1. Wash your tires properly. Use water, soap, and a brush. Remove all dirt, mud, and old residue. If your tire is dirty, nothing will stick properly. Step 2. Dry completely. Don't skip this. A dry surface helps the conditioner bond better and prevent streaks. Step 3. Apply a small amount. Take a sponge, foam pad, or cloth. Add a small drop of conditioner. Remember, less is more. Results. After applying, you'll notice tires look darker and refreshed, a smooth satin shine, not overly glossy, a more natural, clean appearance. And unlike cheap tire shine, it won't look fake, it won't feel overly greasy, it attracts less dust. Comparison. Let's compare quickly. Tire shine products. Expensive high gloss, sometimes too much, short-lasting, can attract dust. $1 conditioner trick. Extremely cheap natural satin finish, easy to apply, safer on rubber when used lightly. Important warnings. Before you try this, keep these tips in mind. Don't apply too much. Excess equals dirt magnet. Never apply on tire tread, only sidewalls. Avoid contact with brake components. Reapply only when needed, not every day. This is a simple hack, not a permanent solution. Engagement. Now I want to hear from you. Have you ever tried a DIY car cleaning hack like this? Or do you still prefer store-bought tire shine? Drop your answer in the comments. If this video saved you money, hit that like button. Subscribe for more smart car hacks. And turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tip. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.